Hello everybody, this is Kiyoshi here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be opening 4 of the Kinder Joy Surprise Eggs, which is the Tom and Jerry series. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's take a look at the surprise egg first. Here we have Kinder Joy, Tom and Jerry with surprises. Alright, nothing else going on. Let's just crack it open with 4 of these total. I think a while ago I've had some Tom and Jerry series before. I really liked it, so let's see what I can get this time. Okay, here's from the first egg. Here's the barcode, as well as how to put them together. It's a sticker set. I think I had it before. Very cute. Yeah, I love this set though. Although this is a repeat for me, here's the stickers. I love it very much. I still like it a lot. Okay, you're supposed to put this, close this gap, put this thing in there. Well, maybe not like this, but something like this. Yep, and then here we have the little character here, like so. And here we have the sticker dispenser. Oops, very cute. Okay, very cute looking. Loving it. They're tiny though, but very cute. Move on to the next one. Let's hope I'll get something that I didn't have the last time. Okay. I'll be eating the chocolates later. I love them. Cool. Let's see what this is. Okay. Here's Tom. Oh, actually, I guess you can draw. Okay. Let's put Tom together. Here's the back. Okay, supposed to. Okay, like so. And then you're supposed to. Oh, here with the look of a Jerry here. And then Tom stepping on Jerry, I guess. Something like that. Like so. Like a roller skating. Very cute. It also comes with a little sticker here. I think you can just put it on top of this. Pretending Tom like slipped from a banana. Like so. That's pretty cute. I think I had this one too before. But that's alright. I don't mind it. They're so cute. Here we go, the third one. Oh, okay. This is a brand new one. I didn't have the last time. Tom and Jerry. Waistband. Wristband. Okay. Okay. Here's a wristband. Very cool. Like so. Here's how you straighten out. Here's how. Well, it's too small for my hands. But here it is. Pretty cute. Once again, Tom. I hope I can get a Jerry. Last one. We still haven't seen a Jerry yet. I hope for a Jerry. Okay. Okay, we did got a Jerry. Jerry wristband. Wristband. We didn't get any Jerry figures, but yeah, we got a Jerry wristband. Cool. And here is the Jerry one. It's a baby blue. I guess I could put it on too if I really wanted to. No, I can. It's too small for my hands. But you got an idea. I think it's super cute. Here we have Jerry. Is this like Willoughby? No, it's not. Here we have Jerry and Tom. Cool. And we have Tom's figure. Cool. Here I have this little guy here. I forgot his name. Cookie or something. I don't remember. But anyways. Very cute. Anyways. Yep. So here are all of the 4 surprise toys that I pulled from 4 of the Tom and Jerry series surprise eggs from Kinder. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys. Let me put them in the center. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.